This short video will take you through how to export results from a thermocron temperature logger using the eTemperature software. To get started, I have run eTemperature and I press Reload File to open an existing file. Alternatively, you could plug in a temperature logger and download the results. eTemperature provides a number of ways of exporting results to other applications. The saving of results to a file for later recall and the creation of reports are covered in other training videos. This video covers the alternative methods available. We will start with the easiest and most obvious methods and then move on to the more advanced options. For most users, the first half of this video will provide more than enough ways to help them use their results elsewhere. The simplest option is to copy the graph to the clipboard. Once you have focused on exactly what you want to see, press the Graph to Clipboard button. If you switch to another application, you will then be able to paste it in. I can easily go to an application such as Microsoft Word and paste it straight in. Or go to a graphics program and paste it there. Please note that it is a copy of what you see on the screen that is being made. So if you have zoomed into a particular area or moved the graph, that is what will be copied. This makes it ideal for being able to focus in on a particular set of readings. You can also save the graph directly to a file. To do this, select Print, Save, Export and use the Graph to File button. A number of different formats will appear. Select the required format and press Save. Enter the file name and press Save. Close the dialog box. Once again, it is what you see on the screen that is being saved to file. The rest of this video will focus on how to export the table of results. Returning to the Display sub-tab, you have the Table to Clipboard option. This will copy the data in the table on the left-hand side to the clipboard. Once again, you can swap to another application such as Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word and paste it in. If you only require a copy of some of the readings, then highlight the readings you are after in the list and right mouse button click on the list, select Copy Selected. There are also two options in this menu to delete the readings before or after the selected entry. This is used to remove the garbage readings that may exist at the start or the end of a trip. It won't allow you to remove readings midway through the list nor change them. Also, deleting them is only a temporary act on the data shown. The saved file will still contain all the readings. To demonstrate its usefulness, we click on a reading at the start of the event we are reporting on. The table will automatically jump to the closest reading. We then delete everything before it. We then click on the graph at the end of the event and the table will once again jump to the closest reading. We delete everything after it. Now when we export the table, we only get the readings that we care about. Since Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word are the most common external applications that users export data to, there are specific buttons to speed up the process. On the Print, Save, Export sub-tab are two buttons, Excel and Word. Pressing the Excel button will automatically start Excel if it isn't running. Create a new spreadsheet if one isn't open already, and then paste the data into the current cursor location. If Excel is already running and a spreadsheet is open, then it will be used. It will automatically move the cursor in the spreadsheet to the right so that more data can be automatically exported to it without wiping out the existing data. In eTemperature, on the Actions tab, you can change how the export works. If you turn the Use Open Workbook if available off, then it will always create a new file. If you turn the Use Open Worksheet if available off, it will always create a new worksheet. These options are useful if you are trying to keep your results in different files or spreadsheets. Returning to the log, the Word button will export the results into the Word document. If Microsoft Word is not currently running, it will ask you for the name of a template to use. For most users, the normal ... is sufficient. It is possible, however, to define your own template and use it. One customer, for example, has a template that has multiple columns and their own logo in the header. Exporting to this template automatically formats it as they require it. They then simply print it out. The exported data will possibly contain a mixture of bold and plain readings. The bold readings are the readings that were above or below the alarm limit set. The final export feature is the Table to File button on the Print Save Export tab. This will give you access to formats such as CSV, XML, text, as well as alternative methods for Microsoft Excel and Word. The CSV and XML options should allow you to import the data directly into any other application with a data import feature. I hope you have found this video informative. Additional information can be found at www.eTemperature.com.au. Thank you.